Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at this ChiliPower dual charger. And as you can see, it's a charger and it's made for Sony cameras, but you also have it for many other cameras. It's basically the same device. You got the LED indicator on top with charging 1 and charging 2. For the 2 ports I got a Sony original battery here. You can just plug it in and the LED indicator starts going and it starts charging. It's powered by micro USB or USB-C. You get a micro USB cable with the package, and you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. And I actually bought this as a combination. That's kind of cool, with 2 ChiliPower batteries. And you get these cool little cases, as you can see. One is empty because it's in my camera right now. And they're pretty cool to take your batteries everywhere, so that's cool. This is the inside, and it's the battery from ChiliPower. It's also actually pretty good. You can just click it in, check it in, and you get the second LED indicator if you actually have it powered on, of course, which I don't for the review. I promise you it works really good. And 2 of those batteries plus the charger was the same price as just a Sony battery. I think I paid 27 euros for the total package. So that's a great deal. And it actually works really well, so I'm really happy with it. This is definitely a 5-star product because it's cheap, it works well, and it's a great replacement for the official battery, I guess. Official batteries are probably still a little bit better, but well, for this pricing difference, I can't imagine it's worth the price. So this is a 5-star review. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and check you later.